Hey and welcome, I'm Tristan Gatto. So today we're going to be focusing on mainly the neck. So you can do this right in a chair, you can do it on the mat, whichever you choose. You can choose to have the pillow below you. Just get cozy, get comfortable. You can sit on your couch. All you're going to need is either a large towel like a bath towel or a strap like a belt or a yoga strap that we're going to use a little bit later. So a lot of us get that naggy neck tension from being on our phones or working at desks, all these crazy things. So I really want to be able to give you some tools that you can use actively every day to start to fix your neck pain. So let's just begin by starting with the breath. So we want to relax the shoulders down, and what I'm going to have you do is actually pull your shoulders all the way up to your ears. Yeah, feel that. It's not too comfortable. Take a deep breath in, way down below your shoulders, almost into your pubic bone. Inhale. Now drop your shoulders. Exhale. And really let the shoulders melt down as you exhale. Let's bring them up again on the inhale. Exhale, let it relax. And you can close your eyes, notice the sensations. Inhale. Exhale, let the shoulders drop, 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 drop. Good. Inhale again, slowly gather them up. Exhale, dissolve them down. Let's take two more. Breathe in. Exhale out. Once more, breathe in. And exhale out. Now let's get the body moving side to side. Let's shake out the sides of the neck. Maybe a little sway side to side, kind of like you're at a good concert. Maybe you're kicking back with a little beer, or maybe a little hashtag I live in California. Just breathe. Let your breath naturally flow so that almost as if you're fogging a glass. This is called an ujjayi breath. So this is a nice calming breath. And just begin to shake out the neck, loosen out the neck, because the neck pain and the jaw pain are interrelated because all those muscles move up into the jaw and into the neck. So from here, let's just begin to drop our chin towards our chest. Breathe in. Exhale, lift the chin, open your mouth. Stretch out your jaw. Inhale, drop the chin. Exhale, open the mouth. Good, breathe in. Exhale, open the jaw. Good, breathe in. Exhale out through the mouth. Breathe in. Exhale. Last one, breathe in. And exhale out. Good, come back to neutral. We're going to drop the chin again. Take a deep breath in, and I want you to just spin your jaw over to the right. Feel the stretch in the side of the neck. Breathe in. Exhale to center. Go to the opposite side now. Breathe in. Exhale back to center. Inhale. Exhale. Good, breathe in. Exhale out. Last one each side. Breathe in. Breathe out. Last one. Breathe in. And breathe out. Beautiful. Bring your head up and let's tip it slightly back. Let's just begin to tip our head back almost as if we're going to lay it back to our side shoulder. So I'm laying over to my right shoulder. Chin facing towards the ceiling. Breathe in. You might feel a stretch into the side of your throat. Exhale, come back to center. Good. Let's take it over to the other side. Breathe in. Exhale, back to center. We're going to take two more each side. Breathe in. Exhale out. You're doing great. Breathe in. Exhale out. Breathe it in. Last one. Back to center. In the last side. Breathe in. And bring it back. Good. Let's shake that out side to side. I call this the concert wave. All right. Beautiful. So let's begin to take your left hand down to the mat. I want you to root that hand way, 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 way down. Take a deep breath in. Sit up nice and tall, and if you're on a chair, hook your hand underneath the chair. If you're on the floor, put your hand down, press it hard into the floor, and I want you to lean away. So you're going to push into that hand to bring the shoulder down and take your ear towards your shoulder. So stay here. You might feel a pull down the side of the arm, maybe even a little tingling. So this also stretches your nerves in your arm and down into the brachial plexus. This is good, but we don't want too much sensation, so don't overstretch. Stay here and breathe. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more. Breathe in. Exhale out. Keep leaning away. Breathe in. And breathe out. Let's come out of that little concert wave. Beautiful. Maybe feel a little more space and more circulation into that side of the neck. We're going to move over to the opposite side now. Right hand goes down to the ground. We're going to press and lean away. Really keep that hand rooted down and lean as much as you can to that side. Good. Breathe in. Exhale. Breathe in. Exhale. Good. Breathe in again. And exhale. Beautiful. Come out of this little concert wave, side to side. Very good. Loosen it up. So now we're going to do what I call a pin and stretch. You're going to need your towel or your strap. Typically, I like a large towel, but I'm going to use a strap today. And this bad boy is pretty long, so I'm just going to double it up. Double the pleasure, double the fun. You're like, be quiet, Tristan. This is what you get. Welcome to my channel. So you want to tack your upper trapezius muscle down. So I love this one. It works like a charm. So I'm going to do my left side. It could be your right side. So whatever side you're going to lift up, pull forward, and straight down just to tack it down. If there's too much tension on it, of course, give it some slack. So keeping that down, elbow down by your side, we're going to reach up with the right hand. So I'm stretching over to my right side. If you're opposite me, no worries. And we can reshift that to target the area that we want to stretch. And we're just going to hold this here and breathe. Keep pulling down on that and lightly apply pressure to the side of the head. Don't yank on your neck. That's never a good thing. Breathe in again. Exhale it out. Good. Breathe in again. And exhale out. Let's take one more for good measure. Why not? Inhale. And exhale. Relax this out. Shake it out. Shake it out. Shake it out. And again, you can just switch it over to the opposite side. Super easy. Pull up, forward, straight down, elbow by your side. Left hand reaches up and over. Nice tall posture, so don't let yourself crunch down or lean forward. So taking that neck directly to the side, ear towards shoulder. Stay here, breathe. Exhale it out. You're doing great. Stay with me. Back off if you need. Breathe in. Exhale out. Once again, breathe in. And breathe out. Let's swap it over to the opposite side. Let's give it a little love. These traps are usually pretty pesky. So let's show them a little bit of extra love today. Reaching up and over, pulling down on that strap. Feel that good stretch, baby. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe way in. Fill up your lungs. Exhale it out. Beautiful. Once more, breathe in. And breathe out. Good. Swap this over now, opposite side. If you get dizzy or you start to get a headache, back off of these. You don't have to keep going. It might be just a little too much for you right now, and you can always come back to it another time. It's the beauty of video. Take a deep breath in. Exhale it out. Good. 2 more. Breathe in. Breathe it out. Last one. You're doing great. Breathe in. And breathe out. Good. Let's dissolve that. Take that puppy out of the way. Give yourself a little space, a little concert wave side to side. Notice that space there. There's a lot of freedom, lot of freedom, lot of freedom. Loosen it up. Give it a shake. Beautiful. So now we're going to work into that upper trap again, but if you're in a chair, you're going to reach towards the opposite side of your thigh. But if you're sitting like me, reach toward the underside of your knee. And I want you to think about pressing your knees down into the floor so your hand has a little leverage to pull the shoulder down. So I'm coming back to stretch the left side, right arm is coming up, and here is the key with this stretch. So I call this the pit check stretch. You'll understand why. Bring your nose towards your underarm and lightly pull down. You'll feel the stretch from the back of the skull down into the arm, maybe even into the front of the neck. And as you can see, I'm a little tight on this side, so that muscle will pop out. Stay here, breathe. Exhale out. Breathe in again. Keep pressing that elbow down for a little more stretch. Good. Exhale. Breathe in again. Exhale. Good. And let's come out of that concert wave. Woo! Over to the opposite side. Press the elbow down, press the shoulder down. Hand reaches up. Check it out. Thank God I wore deodorant today. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe in. Exhale out. Once more, breathe in again. Exhale. And come out of this. Shake it out side to side. I'm a yogi that wears deodorant. Not hating on those who don't. I know it's better for you and more natural, but I'm Italian, you know. Oil and garlic. That's all I have to say. Let's take it over to the opposite side again. Oh, Tristan. Take a deep breath in and press down. Exhale. Breathe in. Exhale. Last one. Breathe in. Exhale. Breathe in again. And exhale. Let's come out of that one. Shake it out. This is the last one. Reach over to the opposite side. Underneath the knee. Reaching up and over. Checking the pit. Looking down. Pulling the shoulder down. Breathe in. Exhale out. Breathe in again. Exhale out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Good. Shake this out side to side. Loosen it up. Little concert wave. And now let's take some spinal waves. If you're sitting or if you're in an easy seat, like you're diving underneath the stick, inhale, present your face, nose, throat, chest, navel, and then roll it all the way down. Inhale, dive forward. Exhale, dive back. Beautiful. Breathe in. Exhale, just clearing the slate. We freed up the neck, so we don't want the mid-back to spasm. Sometimes when we stretch, our muscles that were tight, they've been holding in one place for so long that the other muscles that were helping you to stabilize or were overused will spasm out on you, and we don't want that. So exhale. Good. Let's come back to center. Concert wave, side to side, neutralize out. Last one for you. We're going to weave our fingers together, and I'm going to show you this from behind. Excuse the mic if I hit it and it rustles a little bit. That sometimes happens. So I'm going to face with my back towards you. I apologize. Weave the fingers together, thumbs up, and that's the position you're going to hold. So bring your hands back behind you, flip the palms up, and notice how I'm already pressing my chest forward because I'm a little tight in my thoracic today. And what I'm going to do is place my hands, so I'm going to get them out of the way. You'll feel a little groove right at the base of your skull. Push your thumbs into there and then flip your palms upward. Pull the elbows back. Now, right there, all you have to do is hold because your thumbs and your hands and the pressure from opening the chest will press the thumbs right into your upper neck. If you don't have that, no worries. You can do it like this and just do the middle finger and the ring finger, and just weave up into there and press your neck back. So sliding your chin back so you feel pressure into those points. Those are your suboccipital muscles. They're culprit for chronic tension headaches. When we sit like this, these get shortened and tight, so we want to just release those. If you want the more advanced stretch, the more release here. Excuse the mic if it's rustling. Good. And then we're just going to hold that, and I want you to breathe. Let it go. Last one, breathe in again. Let it go. And again, breathe in. And let it go. Concert wave that out. I'm going to face back towards you. Keep moving side to side. And just release out. Nice. Beautiful. Bring the hands to heart center, knowing that the badass in me honors and recognizes the badass in you. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe to me. I give you new videos every single Wednesday. Some are flows, some are more exercise and HIIT-driven yoga workouts, and I have your Fix Yourself Fridays on Fridays, which are my yoga and physical therapy-based techniques to help relieve some of the cranky areas of your body. And if you still want more, I've got some great courses that are listed below this video. The Text Neck Fix is another great one for you, the 14-day spinal reset if you've got neck and back issues. So let me know what else you want to see too. Feel free to comment below. Once again, thank you, namaste, and Beyonce, and we'll see you next time.